Good day, friends. Got an exciting one for you today. Danny gave me a challenge. Walk me through an intervention with a plant that is 100% reactive, has no planners, no reliability engineers, no budgets, and you just hired on as the maintenance manager. Love it, Danny. Half the people listening out there in your same situation, they're not on the leading edge of technology. They're stuck in mediocrity and can't figure out in their culture how to get out. So I think this may be very instructional for some folks. This is going to be a mini series. This is part 1 video. I'm thinking this is going to be 5 videos. And we're going to get into some real meat here, real culture stuff, and I think it's going to be exciting. Thank you for the challenge. I'm going to tell it like a story of a fictional company called Coatco, where they just hired Joe as the manager. The data is real, but it's really a mixture of 12, 13 plants that I've been to. So it's not a real company, so I'm protecting the innocent, yet remain instructive. And this is not an extreme case at all, very typical. Okay, email me if you would like my notes, so you can just listen along here and send me your email and say, hey, I'd like the notes to part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, 5. I haven't written those yet, but I can send you these notes that I'm almost going to be reading to you. This video is not for beginners, folks, but please email me if you'd like to have the details. This is Joe Kuhn of Lean Driven Reliability. Let's get into this. Okay. Hypothetical plant is Coatco. What we do is we coat aluminum and steel sheet for the beverage can and food can industry. That's what we do. We've got 200 employees. Let's see here. I'm going to move down. We got 200 employees, light manufacturing. After the coils are coated, they go into food can, cat food can, beer cans, beverage cans. We got 2 coating lines. We work 5 days a week, 3 shifts a day, limited overtime on weekends, try not to work weekends. It's a continuous process where we unwind the coil, we level the sheet, take out any bows and anything that are in the sheet, any buckles, and we clean it, we coat it, we cure the coating in the oven, we lube the sheet to go into the customer's press. They need lubrication on the sheet, and then we rewind it and package it up, send it out. Typical equipment are rollers, motors, coating head, ovens, pumps, sprays, filters on the cleaning solution, tensioning system, and there's bearings and rolls everywhere. The maintenance staff has 10 employees. I'm having a little trouble with my, 10 employees. They're combination mechanics and electricians, each one of them is. There's 4 people on days, 3 on afternoons, 3 on midnights. The 4th person on days manages the crib, they buy all the parts, and they do vacation relief when somebody's off. Contractors do all major rebuild kind of work, like if you're widening the line or, some major damage or some major improvement. You're changing the coating head process to be more efficient or something like that. We have 0 planners, 1 maintenance planner. His name's Joe. Previous manager left 2 months ago. No overlap at all. No KPIs are tracked at all. No budget. 100% reactive maintenance. Basically, our process is operators call mechanics and electricians, call the crafts when it's broke. Okay, so it's Monday morning on the first day on the job. The tool we're going to employ here is an A3. An A3 has 5 sections to it. Business case, current state, target state, action, and measures. Okay, those 5 sections. We're going to complete the business case in this video. Business case is in a conference room with the leadership team. That's the plant manager, production, HR, quality, finance, safety, environmental. All the leaders in your business are represented. Tell the lead team what you're going to do. You're going to create the A3. You're looking at business case. Get sponsorship to observe from your production counterpart. Tell him you're going to be observing in his area and you'll be talking to some of his people and have him help you set that up. You're here to understand what the opportunities are and the business case from them. They knew about this meeting in advance, and they're supposed to bring data and opinions. Okay, couple-hour meeting. Is it the lower cost? What are the opportunities? Are we trying to get more production out? We're trying to lower R&M costs. We got safety problems, environmental problems, quality. What is it? And in order. In the same meeting, ask this specific question. If we were excellent, where would we be in 12 months? If we were excellent, get everybody's opinion on that. And then as a team, what your goal is to rank the priorities. Okay, in this case, here's what we did. Came up at CoatCo. Number one priority, we can sell 15% more production. Unplanned maintenance is 35 hours per week total for the both lines. Okay, there's 240 total hours, 2 lines, Monday through Friday, 3 shifts. That's 14.6% downtime. 1 hour downtime is worth $500, okay? Which is 17,500 per week, or that's 875,000 for a year, okay? So 800. We take a 2-week shutdown across Christmas where we just don't work. So 875,000 is the opportunity there. That's number one. Number two, hey, we really don't want to go to 7-day crewing. We can sell 15% more production, but man, with this business cycles. We had to lay off a few people a couple years ago. This is a family-owned business, and we just don't like playing that game. Another priority is scrap generation. Every time we shut down, every downtime event, every coating change we go through, we scrap 2,000 feet of coated metal. That's 25 cents per foot of linear footage we lose on lost revenue and remelt cost. We have 21 unplanned maintenance events per week, okay? 21 of them. And that is, about $10,500 a week, or an opportunity of $525,000 per year. Okay, that's for scrap generation. Quality, we return about $100,000 of quality a month. That's total returns are $100,000 a month, and we estimate 20,000 of them is for maintenance issues. So that's a $240,000 maintenance opportunity that's equipment related. Okay, not all the 100,000 is maintenance. We estimate 20,000. Maintenance cost of labor and supplies, really it's not an issue. We don't think it's a problem, but we obviously we'd like some better controls in place. We're not doing anything. We don't track anything. It's all around throughput. That's all we measure. Safety and environmental, we really don't know if we got any issues there. We can always get better, but nothing glaring there. The total opportunity, financial opportunity, is the 875 plus 525 plus 240, which is roughly 1.64 million per year. That's what unplanned downtime cost us. If we were excellent in 12 months, we'd be at a run rate to be at about a 20% reduction in this, which is $330,000. If we're there, we're pacing there, we got systems in place, and we got 20% of that opportunity, the team feels pretty good about that. Okay, this is your business case, folks, okay? Based on the business case alone, what actions would you take? With what you know right now? A couple things that, I think would be on your mind is, hey, we can hire an outside engineering firm to complete, a list of PMs that we should be doing on this equipment and begin weekend overtime to complete them. That's pretty standard procedure. We're not doing any proactive work. Hey, we got 2 days a week. Let's just throw some money at this with contractors and weekend overtime. We can do that. Number two is hire an outside firm to come in once a month and do some condition monitoring, some PDM, vibe. Let's do some IR. Let's knock this stuff out, and then have that turn into corrective work that we can knock out every weekend. And then we need to get some discipline into cost controls. The last plant I was at, we had to do that, and I can't imagine this place not needing some cost control. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. So that's business case. So next video, we're going to talk about current state. Hey folks, this is Joe of Lean Driven Reliability. Begin your journey. This stuff isn't that hard. We're walking through a real case right here, or conglomeration of several cases, to show you how easy this is and how repeatable it is. I've done this at 33 locations, 34 now, around the globe, And my process is very similar. You just completed the business case. This isn't that hard. I can help you out. Send me a note, and I'll help you on the phone by email just for free. And if I could come to your place and help you along your journey, I guarantee I can shave years off that, off your experience. So thank you. Bye.